I'm Catherine.
I'm Ava.
And this is Rebel Tea. Today for lunch is chicken drumsticks.
Sounds good.
Now let's see the weather.
Wow, that's nice weather.
Let's see what sports are next.
Morning Rebels, we have some sports updates.
What an action-packed game for TCMS JV softball team on September 17th. They face off against RMS softball Lady Panthers, and it was a thrilling match from start to finish.
In the top first inning, the Lady Panthers struck first, capitalizing on a couple of errors and taking the lead early. The score was quickly 2-0 in the favor of RMS.
However, the Lady Rebels didn't back down in the bottom of the first. They reeled back with some solid performance, including walks and key hits. S. Wood and M. Baller both reached base with some smart base running. They managed to tie the game 2-2.
The excitement continued in the second inning. The Rebels took the lead for the first time, scoring 3 runs and showcased determination. It was a display of teamwork and strategy.
At the top of the third, RMS fought back, scoring 2 more runs and retake the lead at 4-3. But the Rebels were not finished yet.
The bottom of the third inning was a whirlpool, with a series of walks and aggressive base running. The Rebels managed to tie the game again at 4-4, thanks to some great plays by P. Crickstar and C. Higgins.
The tension was palpable as both teams battled it out, but it was clear that the Ladies Rebels were hungry for victory. They're really short 30.
It was a hard-fought game, and even though the final outcome was close, the Lady Rebels showcased their skills and teamwork.
Good job, TCMS JV softball team. Keep up the hard work as the season continues.
We're excited to see how the rest of the season unfolds. Until next time, TCMS.
Let's support them. Now it's time for a joke of the day.
Have you heard about those new corduroy pillows?
No, why?
Because they're making headlines. Now it's time for the features finders.
My name is Billy Adams. Who am I here with today? Emmy. Okay, what did you learn about in Miss Cherry's class?
I learned how to use the microscope and see cells.
Who am I here with today? William. What did you learn about in Miss Cherry's?
How to use a microscope and a unit. A multi-cell is many cells and a unicell is one cell.
My name is Billy Adams. Who am I here with today? And what did you learn about in Miss Cherry's class?
How to properly use a microscope and what microscopes are used for.
My name is Coriel Johnson. Who am I here with today?
Sophie Wood.
What did you learn about microscopes in this? What did you learn in Miss Cherry's class about microscopes and studies?
I learned about how to use the microscope and how to handle the microscope in the classroom.
Hello, my name is Andrew. Who am I here with today?
Nakai.
Alright, so Nakai, what are some things you learned in Miss Cherry's classroom?
Okay, so I learned how to use a microscope and I learned all the parts of a microscope and I learned what a specimen is.
My name is Billy Adams. Who am I here with today? Mikey. What did you learn about in Miss Cherry's class?
Multicellular organisms, unicellular organisms, and organisms up close.
You want to see some pictures? Who am I here with today? Katrina. What did you do in Miss Cherry's class?
We looked at slides through the microscope.
Who am I here with today?
Emmeline.
And what did you learn about in Miss Cherry's class?
How to use a microscope.
That's it.
Who am I here with today? Micah. What did you learn in Miss Cherry's class?
We learned about unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. We also use microscopes.
What did you learn here with today?
Royce Woodall.
What did you learn in Miss Cherry's class?
I learned the parts of a cell.
voting for Hoko Hawaii? Katrina and Kimari because Kimari's like a rat and Katrina is like the cutest, so they need to go together. Oh, I'm gonna vote for Katrina and Kimari because Kimari and Katrina's my sister, so of course I'll pick her. Who are y'all gonna vote for Hoko Hawaii?
I'm gonna vote for Ava and Liam because they're a really good couple and they've been together for a long time.
I'm voting for Ava and Liam because they're a cute couple. And I think they should.
Okay, who'd you vote for homecoming and why?
Will and Natalie, because they're the cutest couple in 8th grade.
You ain't got to. Who'd you vote for homecoming and why?
I'm voting for Harrison because he's my boyfriend and he's really nice. I'm voting for Ella because she's smart.
Who are you voting for homecoming and why?
I'm voting Ella because she's one of the nicest people I've met.
That's nice. I'm voting for Harrison because he's my best friend.
Let's vote! Let's see whose birthdays are next.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Miss Skipworth is selling wire earbuds for $1. It helps us with the Rebel Tea.
I'm Ava.
I'm Catherine,
And this is Rebel Tea.
Bye, y'all!
What's that?
Oh my. Was it on my phone?
I won't let go of you.
Yeah.
I know you're somewhere in my head.
Okay, guys. We need to get going. Okay, 3.
Yeah. Happy birthday! Miss Skipworth is selling wired earbuds for $1.
I'm Ava.
I'm Catherine. This
Bye.
is I heard that one.
Quero, sabe que eu não vou te deixar.